This video guides you on adjusting the side rearview mirrors on your Subaru XV II models from 2017 to 2023. Proper mirror adjustment is crucial for safety, eliminating blind spots and ensuring clear visibility. This guide covers both manual and power-adjustable mirrors. The mirror controls are located on the driver's door panel, featuring buttons for selecting and adjusting mirrors. These mirrors are part of your vehicle's safety system, providing essential rear visibility. Follow this guide to properly adjust mirrors and eliminate blind spots for safer driving. The mirror switch is located on the driver's side door panel. It features a rocker-style selector with L and R buttons to choose the left or right mirror. A central joystick controls the mirror's angle. Higher trims also include a fold button for power-folding mirrors. To manually adjust your mirrors, first select the L or R button for the desired side. Then use the joystick to tilt the mirror up, down, left, or right until you achieve optimal rear visibility. Ensure the reflection shows a small portion of your car's side to minimize blind spots. If your Subaru XV II is equipped with power-folding mirrors, simply press the Fold button on the switch panel. The mirrors will automatically retract, preventing damage in tight spaces. This feature is especially useful in garages or narrow parking spots. Always adjust your mirrors before driving. Set both side mirrors and the rear view mirror to provide optimal visibility around your vehicle. Eliminate blind spots by setting the mirrors to show minimal overlap with your peripheral vision. Adjust the side mirrors outward slightly so you can see vehicles approaching from behind without turning your head. Regularly check and readjust mirrors, especially after someone else has driven the car. Mirrors can shift due to vibration or accidental contact, so verify their position periodically. Consider aftermarket blind spot indicators for enhanced safety. These devices attach to mirrors and provide visual warnings when vehicles enter your blind zones, helping prevent accidents. If your mirrors aren't adjusting, start by checking the fuse box for a blown 15/8 fuse related to the mirrors. Wiring harness issues can also cause malfunctions. Inspect the connections for damage or corrosion. Consider cleaning electrical contacts for optimal performance. This can resolve many minor issues. If these steps don't resolve the problem, consult a Subaru technician for professional diagnosis. In early 2025, Subaru issued a recall for XV II models from 2019 to 2023 due to potential electrical faults in the mirror switch assembly. If your vehicle was affected, ensure you've updated the firmware via Subaru's Starlink system or visited a dealer for free repairs. Verify compliance with Subaru to ensure full mirror functionality. The automotive industry is moving toward camera-based e-mirrors that replace traditional glass with digital displays. This improves aerodynamics by reducing drag and enhances visibility in all weather conditions. While not standard on the XV II, aftermarket kits from companies like Gentex can retrofit your vehicle with digital mirror technology. These upgrades typically cost between $500 and $800 and integrate with existing wiring. For DIY enhancements, consider adding blind spot indicators to your existing mirrors. These cost about $100 to $200 and provide visual alerts for vehicles in your blind spots, improving safety. Energy-efficient LED lighting is another trend that reduces power consumption. Looking ahead, industry projections suggest that by 2030, about 40% of new vehicles will feature digital mirrors. These advancements focus on better integration with autonomous driving systems and reduced environmental impact through efficient designs.